Did you know that Rubik's Cubes are different standard algorithms? We can break this down into 7 steps. Make sure that your cube has the white middle cube facing up. If you didn't know, the center cube tells you what color each side is supposed to be. This is the red side, this is the blue side, this is the orange side. You want the white cube face up. I'm going to first start by making the white cross, but you cannot just make sure you put white pieces here. You also have to make sure they match on the side. So this is orange, orange, but this is yellow. So you would have to be orange, orange, white. Green, green, white. Red, red, white. For this method, you're going to start with the blue, and then you're going to rotate to the orange, and then the green, and then finally the red. What we're going to do is we're going to try to find the cube that has 1 white and 1 blue. It cannot be a corner cube with 3 pieces. It needs to be 1 blue and 1 white. So you just rotate the cube until you find it, and mine is right here, white, blue. And you're going to spin it until you get it underneath your middle blue. So here's my middle blue. And then you're just going to turn it over. And now you have blue, blue, white, white. Now we're going to do the same thing to the orange side. We're going to go and we're going to look for the orange and white cube. You just kind of spin your cube around. Mine's right here. It's orange, white. It's only got 2 colors. And you're going to spin it to the bottom and then rotate it underneath your orange, just like this, and then flip it over. Orange, orange, white, white. Now we're going to rotate over to the green side, and we're going to do the same thing. We got to look around for that green white cube that's going to go here. So you just kind of rotate it and look for it. Mine's right here, white, green. So again, I'm just going to rotate it till I get it around to the green side. Okay, and then I'm going to flip it over. Now you can see this is the right cube that goes there, but it's backwards. This is supposed to be green, green, white, white, and it's flipped backwards. So there is a set of moves you can do to correct that. To correct the backwards, what you're going to do is you're going to you want this cube facing you. So you're going to turn it this way. So I want my 2 corner greens facing me. I'm going to flip it down. I'm going to take this whole face and move it over. Then I'm going to take this whole front face and flip it over. And then I'm just going to turn it back. And that should correct it. That's just a 4-step move that you have to learn. I suggest practicing, and eventually it'll become second nature. The last side is the red side, right here. So we're going to go look for the red and white cube. Just look around until you find it. Mine's right here. So I'm going to bring it to the bottom. However, when I bring it to the bottom, you can see that it moves my orange and white cube. So what I do is I flip it out of the way, and then I move my orange and white back in place. So now I have my red and white cubes at the bottom. So I can flip it over to my red and flip it over. And you can see once again that I have the backwards. It's supposed to be red, red, white, white, and it's not. So I put, well, these ones are going to be facing away, but it's okay. These right here, and I'm going to flip towards me, face over, front over, and then move it back. And then now I have the white cross and all of the orange, orange, green, green, red, red, and blue, blue. This is the first out of 7 steps to solve the Rubik's Cube. I would practice this and perfect this before you go on to the next step. I will post step 2 tomorrow.